Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Halifa Azrila Fania from MTSN for Bantul. Now I will show you how to make charging pocket. First time, prepare the tools and materials. There's bottle, color, markers, phone, and travel adapter. Take the bottle and draw a horizontal line in the middle around 1080 degree. After that, cut the bottle following the horizontal line. When it is done, remove the upper of the back part, so we have the back part left. Then, draw on the back part left using travel adapter. Crop according to the pattern. Crop according to the pattern. Finally, the charging pocket is ready to use. I hope you enjoyed this video and please vote me by giving like and your comment in this video. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.